everybody, this is going to be a cleaning motivation, and if you are new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids, and sometimes I keep people from my church's kids, and people that I know. This day I had one day love at my house, so I wasn't really trying to run around and clean. I was just, hanging out with her, chilling. She was coloring, playing with Play-Doh, all that kind of stuff. So I just left the house as is, and now I am cleaning up after she left. So if you're new here, I like to do cooking, cleaning, decorating, fitness, hauls, all that stuff that interests me, lifestyle type stuff. So in this video, I'm just going to be cleaning. So if you need some motivation, stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss another video. I will continue to be putting out videos. I hope you guys are having a great year so far. I'm not. I'm still going through some stuff. There's still some stuff that has hit my life, but Jesus is my rock, and I am leaning on my rock really hard right now. So I'm just going to keep ticking and keep pushing forward. I actually don't have New Year's resolutions. I usually start around August, changing my mind frame, changing my mindset. So I have time to develop and to change things, because it takes 21 days to change a habit. So still working on that stuff that I started working on in the summertime. I'm doing really good. I can say Thanksgiving and Christmas, I didn't go too crazy this year, eating a whole bunch of stuff, eating a whole bunch of junk. So goals are on point, and they are being worked on. So right here, I'm just putting away the crayons, the markers, the Play-Doh, cookie cutters, play food, paper, all that stuff that was on my table. We actually had a little kitchen set and the toys. We actually put them back downstairs, but I didn't show that part in this video. Since I'm going through, I think today I'm just going to pull everything out in my kitchen and declutter my kitchen and clean out my cabinets and do all that and just start my decluttering. Everybody's decluttering right now, so that's the thing for the new year. Gonna declutter and get rid of stuff and minimalize and all this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start my decluttering probably later on today. If you're still here, give me a heart emoji to let me know you're here. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for your comments, your love, your prayers, and everything, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that, or his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a